Hi guys, my name's Emily and I wanted to hop on super quick to give my honest and unbiased review. This is a hydrogen rich water cup and it's a portable cup, so I'm super excited. So this is what the product looks like and I'm overall just super excited. So I wanted to go ahead and just open it up real quick, kind of show you what's inside. So first off, it comes with the instructions. There's a lot of good information, how to use it, what's all included in this. And then here is the cup itself. So it is a nice like glass material. I think it's honestly super nice. So here is the power button. It's got this little cord here in the back that the cord can be used for. So let me go ahead and take that out. So here is the cord, and I wanted to go ahead and just kind of show you how to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with some water now. All right, so I went ahead and filled it up with some water. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on super tight and go ahead and press the power button so it turns blue. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. If you're in the market for something like this, it's definitely great material. I love the glass look. I love that I'm able to take it on the go. I'm super excited. So definitely check this out. I would absolutely recommend.